Good morning. How are you, children? In our last session, we have discussed about the naming words. What we have discussed, children, naming words. So today we are going to learn again more about the naming words. Okay, we are going to learn again more about the naming words. Okay. Now before to start our class today, I want to tell you the order of the letters correctly how to present in your notebook. First children, tomorrow you will get the PDF notes of the alphabetical order and the use of A or Yan. So yesterday I have explained to you, but here today I have to explain the capitals and the smalls, the difference between the capitals and the smalls, how to write in the double rule book. Okay, after writing capitals and the smalls, then we will start today our topic. Okay children. So capital should be written as in such a way, Nana. A, B, C, D, E. See, if you observe, all the capitals are little bit above the line. F, Z, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Capital letters. These are the capital letters. How to write, children, capital letters? Little bit above the line you have to start the capital letters. Now I am writing here small letters. See children. A, in between the two lines, touching the two lines. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is how we have to write the small letters. See children, the difference between the capitals and the difference between the smalls. Whenever we are writing the capital letters, we are writing little bit above the line, and when we are writing the small letters, you have to write in between the two lines. Okay, is it clear? And the order given to you is known as alphabetical order. What is it known as? Alphabetical order. Already we have learnt the alphabetical order of the letters, how to write the letters, how to write the words in the alphabetical order. Now we are discussing naming words. What are the naming words, children? Nouns. What are the naming words are known as? Nouns. Naming words are known as nouns, or nouns are known as naming words. What do you mean by nouns? You can give names of anything and names of anything. And I have explained to you few categories of names, such as names of animals, names of birds, names of things, names of vegetables, names of fruits, names of jobs, and the names of clothes we have discussed. Sunday, Monday we did not discuss. Let us have a look on the names of days of the week. These are also known as, children, nouns. What are the days of the week? Once have a look. You may forgot. Once have a look on the days of the week. Days of the week are also known as nouns. What are they, children? Sunday, Sunday. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Saturday. See, children, what we have learned, the naming words. All the names are known as the naming words. They may be the name of the animals. In our last class, we have learned about the names of animals, names of birds, names of fruits, names of animals. Names of vegetables. And the names of days of the week are also known as the naming words. వీటిని కూడా naming words అంటామమ్మ. What are they? Once revise again. Sunday, Sunday. Sunday, Monday. Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday, Friday. Saturday. So days of the week are also known as nouns. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. See, children, not only the days of the week but the months of the year. Months of the year. What are the months of the year? We learned in the first class. What are the months of the year? January, February. They are also known as months of the year, are also known as nouns. Now let us have a look on the months of the year. January, January. February, February. March. April, April. May. June. July. August. September. October. November. December. So these are the months of the year, children. Months of the year are also known as nouns, or we can say these are naming words. What are they? Once have a look on the months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, January. February, February. March. April, April. May. June. July. August. September. September. October. November. December. So children, in this way we have learned that not only the days of the week but also the months of the year are also known as the naming words. Now let us see one Roman which we have. Before we have learned to write the A in the correct place and E in the correct place separately. And one more Roman has been given to you, children. On page number 14 of your grammar textbook, put a box around the strange word odd. We have to find out the odd. See, camel, cat, cow, ice, dog. See children, these are the words. Now let us separate in a different categories. Then only we can find out the stranger one. వీటిలో స్ట్రేంజ్గా అనిపించేది ఏంటమ్మా? కెమెల్ యానిమల్, క్యాట్ యానిమల్, కౌ యానిమల్, ఐస్ ఆర్ నాట్ యానిమల్, డాగ్ ఈజ్ యానిమల్. సో all the given naming words are the animals except ice. So we have to put a box around ice. Coming to our next, what they gave children, they have given us hat, they have given us apple, they have given us coat, they have given us saree, and they have given us frog. Now if you see, what are these? Hat, we will wear it. Hat we wore. Apple we wore, no, we eat. It is a name of a fruit. Coat we wore, saree, frock also clothes. So all the things are given here, clothes or the thing which we wear, but only the apple is the thing which we eat. So this is the strange one. Apple is the strange one. Now coming to the third one, what they have given us, Nana? Apple, orange, apple, orange, barber, banana, mango, okay. Now if you see all easily, fruit, it is not a fruit. Banana is a fruit, mango is a fruit. So barber is only the word which is not a fruit. So this is the strange one. So in this way easily we can identify the strange one which is given to you. First you should know the correct category of the words given to you, then easily you can find out the strange one. Okay, is it clear to you children? So what are the nouns? Naming words are known as nouns, and the different categories of nouns. Okay, have a nice day all of you.